In this video, we are going to see how we can copy and paste one text, or whether it's heading or a normal text, to some other area, and what different formatting options do we have when pasting it to a certain destination. So let's say if I want to make this heading bold, and now if I copied that, and let's say I want to paste it at the end of the document. Now guys, what you can do is just hold the control key and just scroll the mouse wheel so that you can see the document in 3 parts like this, and then you can paste it wherever you want. So let's say I want to paste it in the second page and at the end. So if I directly now paste Control V, what it will follow is this sequence. We have the heading right here, means this text is marked as heading. And similarly, we have the bold text here and all the other descriptions about it. It is copied in the same way, in the same size as it was in the original place. So if I copied this text, now if I want to paste it right here, I have different options if I right click this. So either what we can do is just keep the text only. So what it will do, it will paste it all in the default text as the other document. It will not follow the heading style, but it will follow the overall size of the normal text here. As you can see, it is neither bold nor identified as a heading. Similarly, if I right click and paste it as a picture, now it is a complete picture. We can increase or decrease it in size just like a picture, and we can also rotate it however we want. This is a complete picture now that we can use just like a normal picture. Similarly, what we can do is just merge the formatting. So what it will do is it will just identify it as a normal text, as you can see here, but it will keep the bold style as it is, but the size of the text, as you can see, is according to the normal text what we have in the overall document. And lastly, if I want to paste as it is according to the heading style, I can just use this one, right click, and keep the source formatting as it is. So it will completely follow how we copied the text. We can also use this feature by just directly copying and pasting this or pressing Ctrl V. But if you want to make some changes, you have to right click and move these paste options right here. Now let's say I want to copy something from the internet, and I'll just select this text, copy this, press Ctrl C, and now I want to paste this in my Word document. So what I'll do is, let's say I want to paste it according to the same formatting, but when I press Ctrl V here, you will notice that it is different from what we have in the default formatting. It is just copying the format of what we have in the internet. So what we can do is, if we want to keep these colors and style intact, but the writing style should match our document, what we can use is go to the paste options and click on merge formatting. So what it will do is it will make the same formatting as it is, but the writing style will be according to what we have in the internet. So for example, we have some hyperlinks here, it will be intact, but the writing style will match. As you can see here, it's Time New Roman and 12 is the size, and here as well it is, although italic, but it is Time New Roman and 12. And let's say if I want to paste it not following the format but as a normal text like here, so what I'll do is just right click here and keep the text only. So what it will do is it will remove all the styles of how we copied it from the internet, and it will exactly match our normal text in the document. So you can play around with any of the pasting options according to your needs. Just try it by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.